You are probably asking how to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. In this video I will answer your question and I will help you to get started with trading. You can see here that I have connected other trading apps into MT5 already, Exness and BitGet. And many people are asking how to also connect Binance. I will leave you links in the description right here below the video for my top recommended trading apps and platforms with the best welcome rewards. And first, let me give you a little bit of background of Binance and MetaTrader 5 so you will understand what these apps and platforms are all about. Binance is #1 ranked crypto trading platform in the world by multiple metrics. You can see here that according to derivatives trading volume, it's #1 by far. It's also an easy winner according to the spot trading volume. It's also the biggest crypto platform in the world according to total assets under management. And of course, with number of users, it's also #1 with more than 310 million users all around the world. Primarily, Binance is a crypto trading platform, but nowadays they also provide derivatives trading products for TradFi, which stands for traditional finance. You can see here gold trading, silver trading, stock trading such as Tesla, Robinhood, Amazon, you name it. And they are also adding more TradFi products regularly. What is then MetaTrader 5? It's one of the most popular trading platforms in the world as well because it has millions of users globally. It is used by hundreds of brokers and you can trade almost any types of assets depending on your broker. Even though here it says forex and stocks, you can also trade commodities, indices, crypto and other assets depending on your broker. You can see here that it has a lot of built-in charts and indicators and even trading bots, as I have shown you in my previous MT5 tutorials. Keep in mind that MetaTrader 5 is not a broker, so you need to connect it with a broker in order to trade on this app. Binance, on the other hand, is a broker because here you are able to trade assets and hold your assets on your account and even deposit and withdraw assets. So now the question that some beginners are asking is that how to connect your Binance account with MT5 so you could trade on the MT5 app. At the moment of recording this video, there is no direct connection possible because Binance does not currently support MT5 integration. What you can do instead is to use another broker that supports MT5, such as Bybit or BitGet, as I have shown you in my previous MT5 tutorials. And then of course you can already trade on Binance directly. There is no MT5 needed. You can do almost anything you want here. You can analyze the charts even more on the computer, but also basics here on the mobile app. You can do spot trading, use automated trading bots, alpha trading, futures trading, options trading, and even the TradFi that I showed you earlier. And then of course you can use other trading apps such as Bybit, for example. Again, no MT5 needed here. You can trade here directly on your phone and even on your computer. In my opinion, trading on apps like Bybit, Binance and other ones, it's easier than on MT5 because the user interface is much more simpler. You can see here if I want to buy BTC, I scroll this one, I click here buy BTC and that's how it's done. If I want to sell, I click right here, scroll this one, click here sell, and again that's how you can trade. The same also on futures trading. You can choose your trading pairs, scroll this one, open long, open short, works perfectly. If you prefer to trade TradFi products, you can choose TradFi right here, and here you can choose the trading pair. Again, open, close, choose a flexible leverage based on your liking, scroll this one, click open long. As you notice, another benefit of Binance compared to MT5 and many MT5 brokers is that you can buy assets directly on the spot, which means that you can withdraw the the assets into your own wallet. Meanwhile, many brokers with MT5 force you to trade with the high leverage CFD products, so you cannot withdraw the assets directly. You need to close the trade, perhaps pay the taxes, and only after that you can withdraw. So there are many differences. Also, the leverage is flexible. Meanwhile, with many MT5 brokers, there is a fixed leverage which reduces flexibility. And of course, when we talk about trading bots, you can use them on MT5 as I've shown you, but the process is much more complicated than, for example, on Binance. They have trading bots right here. When you click right here, you notice that there are more than 10 trading bots available built in directly on the platform, so you don't need to do the connection as you would need to do with MT5. So there are much less moving parts right here. And of course, on Binance there are also earn products. When I come here into earn, and right here they have, for example, simple earn, pool, and super earn, many different products that can give you a nice boost. I have detailed videos for all of the best Binance products right here on YouTube on my Binance playlist, so you can go from beginner to pro. And then of course there are many other great trading apps. On some of them you can even trade privately without revealing your identity. I will show you in a moment, but Bybit is one of my favorites and also a favorite of many of my YouTube subscribers. Here you can trade on spot, futures, options, and even TradFi. And on Bybit TradFi they have much more products available compared to Binance TradFi: commodities, forex, indices, stocks, metals, and more. You can also buy assets directly on the spot market. Scroll this one, click here buy, and that's how you get ownership for the products when you withdraw them to your own wallet. The interface is easier than MT5. You can see your positions here, and you can also adjust. You can choose here which ones you want to see, what you don't want to see. And of course there are even more products available on Bybit than on Binance, including the world famous Bybit card that you can use to use your funds such as crypto and fiat currencies in real life in tens of millions of locations worldwide. So you don't even need to withdraw the funds into separate apps. You can trade here, and you can directly use the funds for paying for your living costs. And if we come here into more, do you notice that they also have Bybit Earn, where they typically have even better rates than on Binance. They also have crypto loans, and that one also typically has better rates than on Binance. So Bybit is in many ways better than Binance. It has also better welcome rewards, as you will find out by clicking the first link in the description right here. And immediately on this Bybit registration page, you see that Bybit welcome rewards are better than on Binance. Then for those of you who prefer to trade even without KYC, so you can trade even privately, CoinEx is a great option. You can do spot trading and futures trading right here. You can also use a couple of automated trading bots, and the CoinEx earn accounts are the world famous because they are some of the best in the industry. You can see the rates for USDT, BTC, and other ones right here on the screen. I will leave you the links in the description for Bybit and CoinEx as well, so you can check them out and start claiming your welcome rewards.